wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best toys for kids of all ages. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Sculptures created with the fat brain squigz sometimes seem to defy the laws of physics. That's because the built-in suction cups form strong bonds that allow for architectural creativity. Just make sure you keep the small pieces away from 1 or 2-year-olds. It's dishwasher safe and BPA and latex free. However, the container is a bit fragile. At number 9, if you can jump, you can operate the Stomp Rocket Ultra. Simply launch yourself onto the base and watch a brightly colored foam missile soar into the sky. As Rocketeers get older, they can achieve greater height and distance. It encourages an interest in science and is both lightweight and portable. But of course, the rockets are easy to lose. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Add a little water to the wowmazing giant wand kit and you'll soon see some of the biggest soap bubbles you've ever encountered. It's easy to learn and makes for a fun outdoor activity. It comes with a booklet of tips and tricks and is made in the USA. However, it doesn't include much mix. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Toys for Kids of All Ages, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, whether they use it to train for a match or just have a bit of fun, the Wilson traditional soccer ball is a good way to help young ones get active instead of sitting inside all day. It's built to last, so you shouldn't need a replacement anytime soon. The synthetic cover is soft to the touch and the rubber bladder holds air well, but it may not be suitable for league games. Moving up our list to number 6. The concept of battle sheep is simple. Spread your tokens out to create the biggest flock. Anyone familiar with board games, no matter how young, should be able to grasp the rules quickly, but older players can dive deep into the strategy for a cerebral experience. It offers great replay value and the pieces are large and sturdy. It accommodates 2 to 4 people. Halfway up our list at number 5. Cultivate your little musician's talents with the Casio portable keyboard. It comes with 10 built-in songs, so even babies can enjoy it by pressing the buttons. But it's also a functional instrument that even adults can use to play their favorite tunes. The controls are easy to use and it runs on batteries or AC power. It's equipped with a headphones jack. At number 4, this soft baby Yoda should appeal to Star Wars fans no matter how old they are, and it may well become a collectible in years to come. It's 11 inches tall with a huggable body and a sturdy base that lets it stand on its own. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Bondi Ukuleles Mahogany Kit is a great starter instrument for children. Thanks to a small form factor, they can hold comfortably and nylon strings that won't dig into their fingers. It comes with a soft gig bag and various accessories, and it produces a rich tone. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Toys for Kids of All Ages, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, youngsters can enjoy Lego Classic for their entire childhood, and they might just keep up the hobby even when they become adults. This colorful set has everything you need to get started, and is compatible with all the company's other products. It's good for children as young as 4, and includes 221 pieces and a brick separator. And taking the top spot on our list. Everyone likes a good set of walkie-talkies, and the Motorola T600 talkabout radio come in a bright color that children will appreciate and that makes them difficult to lose. The controls are fairly simple and there's a built-in flashlight on the base. These receive NOAA weather alerts and are water resistant. The range is up to 35 miles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Toys for Kids of All Ages, or simply click beneath this video.